Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do China kites. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need lightweight bamboo or thin wooden dowels for the frame, and either silk, rice paper, or a light fabric for the kite's surface. Don't forget a strong, long string, ideally several hundred feet, and a winder. Having a pair of sharp scissors and some strong adhesive will also be very helpful for assembly. We're aiming for a beautiful, functional kite. Now let's construct the frame, which is the skeleton of your kite. Traditional Chinese kites often feature intricate bamboo frames. You'll want to create a symmetrical design, perhaps a diamond or a bird shape, using thin bamboo strips. Securely tie or glue the joints together, ensuring the frame is both lightweight and robust. A well-balanced frame is crucial for a smooth and graceful flight, so take your time with this step. With your frame ready, it's time to cover it. Gently stretch your silk or rice paper over the frame, securing it with adhesive along the edges. Make sure the material is taut and wrinkle-free. This helps the kite catch the wind efficiently. Now for the fun part, decoration. Chinese kites are renowned for their artistic designs. Use bright paints to add dragons, phoenixes, or other traditional symbols, making your kite a true work of art. Finally, the moment of truth, flying your kite. Find an open space with a steady, gentle breeze, ideally between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Have a friend hold the kite upwind, about 50 feet away, while you hold the string. As the wind catches the kite, give a gentle tug on the string and let it ascend. Gradually release more string as it climbs higher, enjoying the beautiful dance of your handmade Chinese kite in the sky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.